newcomers, and hey, what's up, bitches? So the people that already been in my channel, this week we will be creating this look with the palette Bloodlust from Jeffree Star collection. Okay, I did join the Jeffree Star train a little late. This is my first palette from his cosmetic company, but let me tell you something. It is just, as soon as you open the package, it's like bam, it's like beautiful. Wrapping paper, the packaging, and then you open and then you get all this beautiful colors. You get this beautiful mattes and this beautiful shimmers and then this beautiful glittery eyeshadows. It's just like a party in here. Ooh, I'm just saying. And also like this, look at this. It's just, can I just wear this? Can I just like a cape and just, yes, like queen, like yes, that's how it makes me feel. I really like this. Like I said, my first palette from his, but it won't be my last. I really liked it. The pigment is amazing, and you get to create looks like this one, and just also it's the first time I use magnetic lashes, and all I gotta say about that is maybe because I didn't read the directions correctly, I don't know, but it wasn't as easy as I expected it to be. This is the Allure magnetic lashes from, I bought them at Target, and they were like $14.99. The lashes are not, you know, anything super crazy. They're kind of subtle, which to me, it works out for a daytime look or like work or like stuff like that. I would recommend. I mean, it works. The glue did dry really fast, so if I didn't put them on while the glue or the magnetic eyeliner was still wet, like it didn't stick. But it did stay. It is staying. I like it. You can use a magnetic liner instead of eyeliner. It works out as well. I like that. That's kind of nice. So yeah, just stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. As always, I'm going to say it again. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Show me some love. I'll show you some love. I do have an Instagram makeup page. It is makeup_by_Namdies, and it's going to be somewhere right here. Show me some love as well, and I will show you some love. I post more often over there. I post a couple times a week. Here is only once a week. I am back, and I will see you guys weekly again. I just had to take some time off, but I'm back, and stay with me. So let's get started. Right, we're gonna start with our E40 taper blending brush, a Sigma brush, in our color Deviant. Okay, we're just gonna create, as always, our outline and just create that V on the outer corner and just bring it into the inner corner and up, and just blend up. Okay, so I've been a little absent. I took a couple weeks off because, you know, with all that's going on, I just needed some time to get myself together again and you know, get my mind right. Just get my mind right. I didn't stop doing makeup completely. I did start a makeup page on Instagram. I'm going to use the E25 blending brush from Sigma as well with the color Blood Queen, okay? And just under that purple, we're going to create that V line again, okay? So yeah, I created an Instagram page, and it is makeup_by_Namdies. It's going to be right here. Go follow, like, comment, share, subscribe as always. Yeah, and I've been posting there more often. It's just making videos is just a whole different ball game, and I just needed some time off. But like I said, I didn't want to stop doing makeup looks, so I did open my Instagram page, and I've been posting there, which I will keep doing that, and then here. So I'm not gone. I just needed some time, and I'm back, and I'm fine, and I'm better. And let's do this, right? Now with our MAC 221S brush, we're gonna grab the color Dungeon. This is a dark purple. So yeah, you know, with my husband being home more often, I mean, he is essential, so he is still working, but he does have a little more time off than he did previously. So, I mean, before all this. So, you know, just been super busy with that. And the baby, my baby girl, is now 9 months. And she is a handful. But that's why I have 2 hands. That's what I keep telling myself. So yeah, it was just a handful, you know, I just needed some time. Um, at first it was just a little hard because she was just so restless. She was used to like a certain routine that, you know, she doesn't have right now. So that was kind of hard for her, but we're getting there. We're taking walks. She's doing good now. Now for our little crease, that this is what I call a tear crease. I don't know if it already has a name, but I don't know it. I'm just gonna call it that, okay, for the sake of this video. I'm gonna use a small blending brush. This is an e.l.f. blending brush. Doesn't have a number. It was like $4, but it's like small, so I really like that. You can do this part two different ways, okay? You can either grab a Q-tip with a little bit of makeup remover and do it yourself and then apply the concealer again, or you can just do it with the concealer because we're gonna do another shade of, like, you know, purple, so it's not a big deal. The makeup remover I do when it's gonna be a whole different color, so one color doesn't affect, you know, the other color and stuff. So yeah, so she's 9 months now and she says mama. So she did say mommy first. Hey. And she does not want to say daddy. She says papa, but I don't think she means dad though. Or food. I don't know what she means. I think it's just the noise my husband makes to play with her. But yeah, you just make this oval shape. Let me tell you, this is so much easier on the right side. I struggled on the left side. So you just make like a little tear and fill in the purple because I had made it more of a V shape, so I didn't have to use a lot of concealer. But now, there you go. So yeah, we're doing good with this whole quarantine. I'm still married. This is still a family of 3. I'm gonna use the MAC 239S brush, and we're gonna start with the color Betrayal. Okay, Betrayal. Yeah, so we're still good, you know. That's my opinion. I don't know, ask my husband. I don't know what he feels. Definitely learned a lot about myself. I don't have a lot of patience. There was some rough moments, I'm not gonna lie. Some rough moments. I mean, being at home all day, not having the option to just, you know, clear your head a little bit or go out. I had to work on that. Like, I really learned stuff about myself. Shoot, it's hard out here in these quarantine times. How are y'all dealing with this, you know? And I'm gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna use the other side. And I'm gonna use the color Beauty Sleep, okay? Which is like more of a pink. So yeah, it's hard, it's stressful, you know, just being home all the time. The uncertainty is just, you know, some days I couldn't even sleep. It was awful. But it's getting a little better. Things are starting to open back up a little bit. So now we're gonna use the same dungeon color on the bottom, which is our purple, and that is with the pencil brush. And then with our Blood Queen color, we're just gonna buff it out a little bit. One of the things that I did change during this time was my foundation. This is still a Cover FX foundation. I was using this one, but this one's more for oily skin, okay? This is the Power Play Cover FX foundation, which in G40 I loved. But then I got this one, which is a Natural Finish foundation. It's still Cover FX, and it is a little thicker, but it feels amazing. I have dry skin, and this worked better, which is funny because I still use that one. I still like it, but this one just feels better. And just a little bit goes a long way. I don't have to use a lot of product, which I really like. For my concealer, I'm gonna use the Jose Moran Vibrancy, which I've used for a while now, and if it's not broken, why fix it? I really like it. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick on Mocha. I don't know if I got the color right, but I like it. Because like I said, I use it as a base. I would have liked something a little darker or not as red, but it works for now. That was my fault though, like I got the wrong color. And then I'm just gonna set my makeup. I don't bake. because, as I've said, I have dry skin. So if I bake, I get this lines down here, and I don't like it. I mean, who would, right? It's like streaky and not for me. And it's not even the makeup that doesn't work. It's like my skin gets like this rough look to it that I just don't appreciate. So yeah, right now I am all about Fenty Beauty. I was struggling there. I bought the black gel liner for Fenty Beauty, and let me tell you, I love it. It's super nice. Like the application is so nice. It's smooth, so when you apply, you don't have to rub, or you don't have to like do it a few times. Like it's just buttery. Oh my god, buttery. That's my word. I just applied that to my waterline because I kind of forgot, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. So yeah, you go, girl. Rihanna, you're doing good. I like it. I like it. And yeah, now our eyes are done because I forgot that. For contour with the slanted brush, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the Anastasia contour kit, the medium. Then we're gonna do the Coast to Coast Color Pop blush. I like this blush. It's not as pink, it's not as orange. For my highlighter, I'm gonna apply the Gilded Honey Laura Geller highlighter. I love this highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters, actually. Definitely gives you that, that glaze effect. I like it. Now I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever lip liner, and this is in the color Versatile Chestnut 610. Okay. I don't know what it is lately, but I'm all for the just lip lined lips. I don't know. And again, Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Okay, let me tell you about this lip gloss, okay? Because this is the tea. I don't like lip glosses, okay? I am not a lip gloss person. I am a matte lipstick person, okay? But I already had another one, and I wanted the clear one because this, I don't know what it is, but it's just not sticky nasty. Like, I don't know if this has like angel tears in it. I don't know what it is, but I like how this feels and how it stays. And as soon as you open it, it's like, you see that? Just gooey. Girl, you nasty. So this is definitely a must. Sorry, I don't apply it because I don't want to get color in the wand. So I just do it to the part that doesn't have color. And do my, there you go. It's just, I don't know. I love this. I love this. And that's that. However, before we finish this video, I am going to tell you about something that I found, okay? I have, and this is also one of the reasons I wasn't doing videos, because I was doing Instagram. My eyes, or the skin around my eyes, is very, very sensitive. It's like paper skin. And with all the rubbing and the, just the brushes and everything, it's me, it's my skin. I was getting very irritated, and like, technically my skin was falling off. My skin was falling off. That's what was happening. It was so irritated. It was like peeling, and it was horrible and painful. It was very, very painful. So I started looking for a cream or a gel that would hydrate and just help me just, get back so I could do my makeup again. And I found this Neutrogena gel at Target. And this is just really me giving you a tip because it is amazing. It is called Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and it is like $13.99 or $12.99 or something. It's like $13, $14. I found it at Target, and the instructions say to apply it in the morning, or in the morning and at night if you want to, or however you feel. I do that, and my eyes have gotten so much better. Like, they did that. My skin did that. It just absorbed, and they just feel so fresh as soon as I applied it, and it was just amazing. Like, if you have that problem, I mean, I would try it. I'm not saying it would work for everybody. It worked for me. I love it. I feel so much better doing my makeup so often now. We're back. We're good. So I don't know, just FYI, if you're looking for something like that, it just really helped. Let me see. There you go. Yeah, other than that, I mean, the products I tried. I forget something. I am going to try the Pro Magnetic Allure lashes, okay? That's why I didn't put on eyeliner, because the magnetic glue, which is not glue because it's magnetic, is like eyeliner. It works as eyeliner, so I didn't apply it. So, you know, I didn't compromise it. I'm going to give you. So I applied it just like my eyeliner. And this little thing has 4 magnets in the back, so it should just pop in, okay? Like, let me tell you something. I suck at putting on eyelashes, which I've gotten better in this quarantine, let me tell you that. But still an issue. So let's see what happens. Okay. That was pretty simple. That was pretty easy. Okay, so I was having an issue, but they dried too fast, so that's what it was. That's what it was. Okay, so this is this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Also to my Instagram channel, which is makeup by underscore Nandis. Go follow, and I'll be posting every other day-ish, maybe. That's how I've been posting, so I'm probably gonna stay that way. So yeah, show me some love. I'll show you some love back. I hope you guys enjoy as always. Keep coming back, and we'll keep recreating some looks.